All right, so we're gonna add our eggs to this. We're just gonna kind of do our best to portion out these eggs evenly between them all. And remember, you always want to do the eggs last when you do like a quiche, so that way it doesn't overflow, but it gets all in there in the nooks and crannies. The egg is gonna puff up a little bit. And I did add a little Escalante and Bonneville to the eggs, just for a little extra oomph and deliciousness. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and give them some fresh herbs right on the top here. Oh yeah. We're gonna fill the bottom of this guy with water, so it kind of does like a custardy, like think of cheesecake or creme brulee, just to kind of help those eggs from drying out. All right, let's put a little water down here. Again, we're not looking to be too crazy. We want maybe like a quarter of the way up the tray itself. We don't need a whole lot of water. We're not looking for a full-on like full bain-marie situation. Now, don't spill, don't spill, don't spill.